Kaze everyone, so today we're going to be doing some packaging. We have 3 packages to do, so we're going to package our products and then send it out. But yeah, that's going to be all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I do soap making videos and other natural skincare DIY, so if you're interested in that, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. But thank you so much, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay guys, we're gonna pack some orders. This is one soap, so we're gonna make sure we put lots of, not a lot, but enough to hold. Okay, it's enough. A nice square. And we have a turmeric. This was a handmade with love thing. Oop. There it is. Gonna put it right here, and that's done. Then we're gonna do our Etsy order, and then this one is 1 turmeric bar as well. This is a half and half turmeric. So we're basically doing the same thing. If you have any cool, okay, yep, this is a half and half turmeric bar. Turmeric with tea tree. And we're gonna give them a card. Alright, we have a thank you card with some handwritten notes and our business card. These all go in here nicely now. Of course, made with love sticker. And this is our Etsy order. You know how it is. And it's an oil and soap bar, so we don't need a lot of these actually. Okay. Hopefully the oil fits. So we have, it's our soap, turmeric, half and half turmeric. Okay, and then it's our rejuvenating body oil, face and body oil, all infused in calendula flower. So these are all herb infused. I'm gonna do it like this since there's no space in here. We'll do it like this. There we go. And that's how it is in there. And we're gonna get a card. So we got our thank you card. Okay. And our business card. Of course. I need to update my business card. I like the colors and the flowers. I just need to update it a little more. So that's that. Now, oops. Now we're just gonna close it up. Our handmade stamp. And this is our, we're all done. All right, that's all. We packaged our 3 orders today. So we're gonna go ahead and ship them and notify our customer that their package is on the way. But that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and comment below whatever question you have or anything that's on your mind. Comment down below. All right, I'll see you again in my next one. Amahoro.